you do me? Basically threw me up against the wall and screwed me. Nail in the coffin, this my final call of duty. Casting my jewels amongst the swine and lost my ruby. This is trash, must be on Tubi. You knew me, why you play life like you didn't? This ain't no mind control, but my stealing usage here, pimpin'. Play the game the same way the rest of them played it, you tried. Told me I told you I would always be there and you lied. What is love without love? Sounds like you're in love with pride. I stood still so you couldn't see me, got snake in your eyes. Why all this hate with these lies? All these breaks, I'll be fine. That's not the point, but I'll point myself in a direction that's mine. Looking for what is divine, but I guess I'm too far behind. Looking for light from my wings, but I'm being told I'm too blind. Looking for more for myself without being told it's a crime. My sync got knocked off its rhythm, that's why I rely on my rhyme. I ain't talking, I'm reaching. This ain't rapping, it's preaching. If that bitch say she love you, have her follow you to the deep end. This is literally speaking. If you outside, then don't peeking. If you so tired, then try sleeping. If you don't mind, let me thinking. I need more time and your patience. It's genuine when you're anxious to bump and grind till I ain't shit and hope I die for a replacement. Now that's life, is it not? Or is it me stirring the pot? Or is it just me and my bitchin'? Cause you found out and I got caught. Well, we grown, you telling me move on. Who do you think you are? Fool, no, I can't play part two. Now as we pass the flying colors, make this vow to love another brother same way that you love me into me. And maybe then I could fall asunder deep into an endless slumber. By next summer I'll be gone and you'll be free. Cause life in the garden helped my heart harden. This pain ain't stopping, so why restart it? Sights made of iron, set on a target. I set for a second, then ended up squatting. Lend me your ear, what? I beg your pardon? Not to be rude, but it's on the carpet. I gave it my all as soon as it started. Maybe that wish placed on my wings what made them tarnish. Maybe that last time was the last time, God darn it. Typically, I was stressed about it, but God's on it. I guess these babes are shy.